Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to make this cheesecake. So I made it in a pressure cooker. It took me only 35 minutes to cook it, and after I put it in the refrigerator for overnight and put some toppings, and this is what I have. So to make that cheesecake, I have 1 pound of cream cheese. It's about 2 blocks. I have cocoa powder and flour, regular flour, 2 eggs. So one of my eggs had 2 egg yolks. I have white sugar and brown sugar. Also, I have chocolate chips, Oreo cookies, and also I gonna use coffee grounds. It's an instant coffee. So I gonna put all my stuff, cocoa powder, flour, and instant coffee. Just gonna put it here. Now brown sugar and white sugar. And I'm gonna mix in my mixer. So all my ingredients are room temperature. So I'm gonna mix it on low. Now I'm gonna scrape my bowl sides. Make sure it's all combined. And I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of sour cream. They're like a generous tablespoons. And I'm gonna add eggs. And I'm gonna mix again. So now I'm gonna add my melted chocolate chips. And I'm gonna mix it again. So here I have a 6-inch cake pan with a parchment paper. I put it on the bottom, and also I put some on the sides. And right here I have crushed Oreo cookies. I'm just gonna put them in. I'm not gonna use any butter. Just gonna place them here. And make sure they everywhere on the bottom. So cookie are ready on the bottom, and I'm gonna put my cream cheese mixture. I'm gonna make it nice and smooth. I have my pressure cooker ready. I'm gonna put about a cup of water in here. You don't have to be exactly a cup of water. And I'm gonna put my cheesecake. Now I'm gonna do 35 minutes. Start, and gonna close the lid. Okay, when it's gonna have a enough pressure, it's gonna start cooking. So my pressure cooker, just turn it off. I'm gonna push the cancel, and I'm gonna let it sit and release the pressure itself. Now I'm gonna take the cheesecake out of the pressure cooker. And I'm gonna let it sit to cool down a little bit. So right here I have a chocolate chip and heavy cream. I'm gonna put how much exactly under the video. I'm gonna melt it in the microwave and put it on the top of my cheesecake. So my cake is still warm to the touch, but I'm gonna put a ganache on the top. So also I made some toppings. It's a nuts, Oreo cookie, and white chocolate. I'm just gonna sprinkle on the top. And I'm gonna put my cheesecake in the fridge and I'm gonna cut it tomorrow. I took my cheesecake out of the fridge and now I'm gonna try to unmold it. Just gonna tip it. So I don't have any problem because I have a parchment paper everywhere, like on the sides and on the bottom. Let me take the parchment paper from the bottom first. Now cheesecake is ready. Took it out of the pan. So I'm gonna cut it and see how it looks inside. A little sticky. Looks like it's cooked really good inside. So I cut the piece. I already tried it. It tastes really good. I really like the taste of the chocolate and the topping's so nice and crispy. Try it and I think you're gonna like it. So thank you for watching my video.